Let's have a look at this SONY TC-FX211. Overall it's in pretty good condition, and the motor starts running as soon as you turn it on without any tapes in it. Metal tapes indicator is on already as well. Let's throw a tape in it and see what happens. Yeah, that does not sound good. We've got Dolby B and Dolby C, as well as a recording bias knob. But these tapes sound a bit fluttery and way slow actually. Okay. Now only the normal tape indicator light is on, but as soon as I get the tape out, the metal tape comes on. If I throw a type 2 tape in it, type 2 light comes on. And the motor still keeps on running. Yeah, this unit just does not sound right. Let's have a look inside. Back of the unit. Made in Malaysia. Let's have a look inside this deck. There's really not a lot there. Tiny transformer on this board here. RCA connectors here. And all the circuit boards and circuitry on here. Hang on a minute, what's this? Rubber band on the counter, rubber band on the flywheel, and rubber bands everywhere on the whole cassette deck. Damn. As you can see, blue rubber band, yellow rubber band on the motor, and white rubber band on the flywheel. That is not good. That means it will have to be rebelted.